When you are ready to create your works cited page in NoodleTools, you will want to make sure that each of the sources you created a source card for is complete. And if there is another source that you have not yet created a source card for, you will want to do that. Once you're set, you will look over in the upper right corner for that print button. If you hover over that, you'll see that it's a print/export item. I click on this, and then I have my choices as to how to print or export this. So I really just want to export it to Google Docs. So I will select this. NoodleTools gives me a couple of choices. I can export all sources, or I can export a selection of sources. For this example, I'm going to leave it at all sources and click Submit. If you have not done so already, NoodleTools may ask you access to Drive. You will say yes, give it permission. And once it has permission, it's going to create your works cited page. So it will title this Sources For and then the title of your project. NoodleTools will give you the proper title for your works cited page based on the MLA formatting we selected. And it will auto-alphabetize each of your entries based on the first letter of the entry. If your teacher is asking you for the works cited page, this is it. NoodleTools did all of the work for you. If the teacher would like you to have this at the end of a paper or a document, you can literally just copy this as is and paste it directly from this page to your other document. And that's all there is to it.